What's up, guys? My name is Carlos, and I'm gonna review the independent trucks. Let's get it. Well, I have never skated these trucks before. It's gonna be my first time skating them. So I'm gonna set them up on this board, and then I might go to the skate park and review them. All right, let's get it. So, guys, I have the first truck in. And this large sticker right here is from my new jacket, skate and destroyed Thrasher jacket. Yeah, I bought it in Sumis. I don't care if I buy that shit at Sumis. But yeah, that real. Boost nut, can't see it. Boost nuts, here we go. Yeah, let's get it.
Please bring me my wine. He said we haven't had that spirit here since 1969, and still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say,
I dropped the bolt, trying to put it in. I was putting it the wrong way. But now, let's get it. Well, guys, I'm done putting the first truck on it. It looks pretty sexy, let me tell you. It looks pretty sexy already. Look at that. So yeah, let's get on with the second truck. I'll see you right back when I finish doing this second truck. Guys, so I did this second truck like on maybe 10 or 15 seconds. Tanks of silver tools, my bad. Silver trucks, best tool ever. Use this tool, you're gonna love it. So yeah, it looks sexy. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, right now you're wondering what am I listening to, right? So I'm listening to Rage Against the Machines. Love it. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna put these wheels on the new trucks. Let's get it. See you on YouTube seconds, like milliseconds. Let's get it right now. Alright, guys. So, that's how you see, we're done. Well, I'm done setting up the trucks. Really need to get next time some new bearings, because they're not rolling good. Look at that. You hear that? That's really bad. Yeah. That's the goal for next time. Bearings. So, yeah. I might go see if I can go to the skate park. If I can. Let's go to the skate park, right? Let's get it. Guys, I was using this as a tripod. And now I'm gonna go get my friend Cena. I'm gonna give him a ride and let's go get him. Guys, I'm riding it, you can't see it, but there's the car. There we go. Now get Cena. That way. Off we go. Let's go. Well, I'm not gonna vlog and drive. Well, film and drive. So bye.
Anytime you like, but you can never leave.
Didn't say hi to the video.
Hi, sexy guys. We're at a skate park right now with Carlos, my homie right here. Let's get it, guys.
Let's get it.
Shout out to Big Dick Louie, guys.
Hell yeah.
Bro, it's so dark outside now.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that, my dick.
What's up, guys? So thanks for watching. Independents are really good. Like, you have to break them in. And yeah, I'm sweating. I just got out of the park. It's almost like 10. And I just want to say they're really good. I like them. Getting more. And yeah, just want to say subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next video.